Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the Python questions from codingbat.com. Today we will do warm up. So today we will do the warm up one for the basics. So for this one you just need the basics. If you have basic knowledge about like Python example code or like Python strings, Python list, Python conditions, those things, like literally like you need the basic knowledge of that. So I will solve every questions in front of you so that you can literally refer them while doing the questions, and it can help you in learning more as well. Let's go one by one. So first question is sleep in. That is, the parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday, and the parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. So there are two parameters, one is weekday and other is vacation. It is going to be true if both of them, if the weekday is true, and it's going to be true if you are on a vacation. The second parameter is also true. Any of them is true, then it is and. Okay, so if both are true, then only it is true. It seems like that. We sleep in if it is not a weekday. Okay, so on weekend it's they sleep in, and or we are on vacation. Okay, so if they are on vacation, then also it is they're sleeping. Okay, return true if they are sleeping in. So they will sleep in. When are they going to sleep in? When there is it's not a weekday. So basically, so if not weekday and it is vacation, then return true, else return false. This is going to be a very basic question. Oh, so we got the error. What is the error? Let's see. So if both are false, I am returning false. Oh, yeah, that's what it is, right? If not weekday, false, and vacation is true, then it is true. So that basically we understood wrong about the question. That means, so true is if both are false, then we are sleeping in. Okay, so if weekday, is it or? Let's see. That, yeah, so that's the basic mistake that we were doing. So if it is not a weekday or it is vacation, then it is true, else it is false. So it was basic example and I was expecting that. So let's go to next question. Next question is, we have two monkeys, A and B, and the parameters A underscore smile and B underscore smile indicate if each is smiling. So basically first one, monkey A will smile, then the parameter will be A underscore smile, and if monkey B will smile, then it will be B underscore smile. Okay, we are in trouble if both are smiling. Okay, so we have to find out if we are in trouble or not, or if neither of them is smiling. Return true if we are in trouble. Okay, so I think if A underscore smile and B underscore smile, if both are true, rather than doing this, let's try equal to sign if that can work. Return true, else return false. Let's see. Yep, that worked. So this was pretty smooth. So I used equal to sign in front for comparison. So I used double equal sign so that I can compare both of the parameters if that will work or not, if we are in trouble or not. So basically, if both are smiling, then we are in trouble. If they are not smiling, then we are in trouble. Okay, let's go to next question. Given two int values, return their sum unless two values are same. Then return double of their sum. Okay. So if A equal B, then return 2 star A plus B, else return A plus B. Yay, we did it. this is basic. Okay, so we should not be so happy on this one, because in the future we will get the harder ones. Okay, let's go to next. So given an integer n, return the absolute difference between n and 21. Okay, expect return double the if n is over than 21. If n is greater than 21, then return 2 star 21, no, n minus 21, else return (21 minus n). Yes, this is basics. Yep, that worked pretty smooth too. So in this we were just discussing, if it is less than 21, then we will just simply put it 21 minus n. If it is greater than 21, then we have to give double of the difference, n minus 21. So because if it is greater, then I can use it in front, and if it is smaller, then I can use it in the back. That's how I did it. Okay, let's go to next question. So next is, we have a loud parrot. The R parameter is a current R time in the range from 0 to 23. We are in big trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 or after 20. Okay, return true if we are in trouble. Return, okay, so if it is before 7, basically, like because this is the clock they are discussing, that is in 24-hour clock. That's not like our clock that we fix, like sometimes like after 12 it will go in the PM. So it is complete clock from 0, 1, 2, 3, where 0 is like 12 midnight and 23 is like 11 PM in the night. So if talking and bracket R is less than 7 or R is greater than 20, return true, else return false. Yeah, okay, cool. So here is a combination of both. For talking it is using AND function, and for integer it is using OR function, so that we can combine both of them. Okay, let's go to next. So given two integers a and b, return true if one of them is 10 or if their sum is 10. Okay, so if a equal 10 or b equal 10 or a plus b equal 10. If one of them is true, right? One of them or their sum is 10, then return true. Else return, oh, I did, yeah. Okay, so here they are not discussing if they they both are, like suppose the both numbers are 10, then how will be the output. It's not discussing that. It's not discussing any scenarios. Here it is, like if you will see that here it is, yeah, they discussed this one here. I was confusing about this one. So if they both are 10, then also it is true. Yeah, because OR clause will take either or, so any of the condition is true basically. A and B both are 10, so that will work. Yeah, okay, so let's go to next question. Given an integer n, return true if it is within 10 of 100 or 200. Oh, 10 of, that means, okay, so it is going behind. So basically 10 of 100 means it will how to put that comment like this here. Okay, let's see. So basically it shall start from 90, as they have given the example, till 110, and same goes with this one. It will start from 190, it will go over till 210. Okay, so if n is greater than equal to 90 and n less than equal to 110, let's put the bracket on there, or n is greater than equal to 190 and n is less than equal to 210. Return true, else return false. Okay, so I hope this will work. Yep, because they have given the example that it is that 90 is included, if you will see here, right? That's how I got the idea that it will start from 90, it will go till 110, and for 200 shall start with 190 and it shall go till 210. Okay, yeah, so let's go to next. So given two integers values, return true if one is negative and one is positive, except if the parameter negative is true, then return true only if both are negative. Oh, okay, okay. So basically if if negative is true, right, and a is less than 0 and b is less than 0, return true. Basically this is right. And oh, so if any of them is positive, then okay, return true. So it does not even matter during that time. If it is not, then they will return true, else, but else will not work, right? Because this is, so let's take first thing first. If one of them is negative, so suppose a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, or a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, return true. Okay, oh, we are getting error. So my thing was giving false for this one, but they are, no, my thing is giving return true. Okay, so where are we missing? Return true if one is negative and one is positive. Okay, except if the parameter, okay, so not negative and now it is perfectly fine. Okay, so basically the confusion was if the parameter is true, right? They have mentioned it an exception, so we have to put that there. So what is this doing? This is checking if a negative variable is false. If it is false, then we will see if any of them is greater than 0. If both are greater than 0 and it is still false, then it will be false. So that is correct, right? Yeah, here is the example. If both are false, then it will be false. Yep, that's what's happening here. So we have to use the AND function like this only, so that it can reflect the proper answers. Okay, let's go to next. Given a string, return a new string where not has been added to the front. Oh, nice. So we just have to return a string on which note has been added. Oh, feels like simple, right? Like just add not like this, plus sign, and then str. Let's try. I don't think so. This will work. Yeah. Oh, they need space. Oh, that's it? That's the only error? Oh. Yeah. So however, if the string already begins with not, return the string unchanged. Oh, okay. So we have to check if function. If str, so I'm using substring here till 3 because there are only 3 what do you call, return str, else return not plus str. Yeah, now it worked perfectly fine. So here I used substring of the first, so we need first 3 characters of that to verify whether it's a not in the front of them or not. So yeah, not in front of the not. Yeah, that's the thing. If there is not in the beginning, then we don't have to concatenate not in front of it. But if you don't have it, then you have to concatenate that thing. Okay, let's go to next question. Missing character. Given a non-empty string and a integer n, return a new string where the character at index n has been removed. Okay, the value of n will be valid index of a n will be in range from the 0 to. So they mentioned that the n that is given to us will always be a valid character. We don't have to verify that whether it is valid or not, but it is going to be valid. So that's a basic. If we will use return function, and again we will use substring, we will put it at till n plus, it will start from n plus 1 and it will go like this. I hope this will work, but let's see. Yeah, but if they're asking to remove the last letter, how will this work? Like, oh, okay, so here we got the last character that is missing. So here it is asking to remove the last 3 means, because number starts with 0 in substring, 0 1 2 3. So 3 is e. For removing 3, it removed the third one, so this string will be empty in the last part. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go to next question. So given a string, return a new string where first and last characters have been exchanged. Oh, only first and last. Okay, so I will think -1 will be the last character and the first character will be str0. Okay, so but we have to still put the middle characters. Why don't we use str from 1 starting -1 plus sign, because -1, because last character in the substring will never come in, and that I think will work. Let's see. Oh, index out of range. Okay, so here we got. Why don't we choose this? len equal to length, sorry, str.length, right? str.length, this function shall give us the len, if I'm not wrong. So this gives us the length of the strings basically, so like for 1. Okay, let's see another one. If L is less than, what do you call, 1, if less than equal to 1, let's do equal to, return str. So this might help us in solving few of them with 1 characters. Else return str L shall give us, okay, so L will not work because last character is always starts from 0, so it is L minus 1. It's giving E in the first one, then it shall take from 1 to L minus 2 plus str 0. Oh, which one is going away? L minus 1, yeah, because last character is not included. Now this is correct. So this one is a good example though. This is the first example we got till now of using the free length, like empty characters. Like here it is, there is a null character, and if you will see here, then it shows that you have to use the length function for this one. This one has only one character, so this complies. This worked for this one as well, because we used equal to sign. That will whenever this function will pass as str, this will be like this will covered here. Okay, let's go to next. So this is the last question for wrap up 1, and that will be all for this video. So let's go ahead and let's do this video. Let's do this question. Given a string, we will say that the front is the first 3 characters of the string. If the string length is less than 3, the front is whatever is there. Return a new string which is 3 copies of the front. So basically they're asking us to make 3 copies of first 3 characters. If the string length is less than 3, then the front will stay whatever it is. So first we have to find if length of str is less than 3, then return str. Okay, this shall work on some of them. So blank already came off. Okay, else, so where now we have to look for if it is greater than 3. Yeah, then we have to return 3 star. So if you multiply this, then it shall give us the first 3 characters. Oh, why it is not giving? That is good question. There are errors if it is less than 3. Where if a string length, then the front is whatever is there, right? Yeah, then why it is showing these two questions is making me confusing. We will say that the front is first 3 characters of the string. If the string length is less than 3, then the front is whatever is there. Return a new string which is copies of the 3. Oh really? Then I shall like make it 1. That's all. Okay, nice. But this was literally confusing for me, because they mentioned if the string length is less than 3, the front is whatever is there. So I thought that front will be only first 3. If it is length greater than 3, like, or maybe 3, then it will work. But their meaning was that whatever the character is, just make it 3 times of that. Okay, so that's all for today, folks. Really thank you for watching my video. I hope this can help you in having a basic examples, basic learnings of the Python. If you are having any confusion about, or if you want me to solve other channels or any other platform or any other questions for basic Pythons, you can share in the back or in the comments. I will really appreciate it. Thank you.